This top-load washer from LG features a seamless control panel and an LCD dial display. The washer comes with 14 preset cycles. Simply turn the dial to view your options. After choosing a cycle, I can adjust my temperature, spin, and soil level from the buttons on the right, and my choice is reflected in the display. This washer features a running faucet. Press the faucet button and open the lid to spot clean your laundry. Close the lid and all the water is drained from the tub. Other feature controls are delay start, turn the dial to select your time. Select the deep fill option if you would like to add additional water to certain wash cycles that may need more water, like winter coats or a comforter. You can find additional cycles, add-on options, and features in the settings menu. In the detergent dispense menu, you will find your EasyDispense settings. In this menu, you can go and adjust your detergent amount, and this is where you would also go to turn off the EasyDispense if you would like to add a detergent manually, like a gel pack. You'll find the softener dispense tank menu for EasyDispense right below it. You can choose to add or remove cycles to the home screen using the Cycle List Edit menu. Simply select or deselect cycles based on your preference. Push the back arrow to save. Then this cycle will be on your main menu of cycles when you turn on your washer. Turn down to the additional settings menu, which includes a few more features. Here you can see the Wi-Fi connection to enable Wi-Fi and connect to the LG ThinQ app. In the Use of Dispenser 2 menu, you can choose to change the softener tank from the EasyDispense system and make it an extra detergent tank. Select the Signal menu to change your volume on your washer.